What is your name? When did you take the ComIT course, and where are you working now?
So my name is Daud Adedokun. I took the ComIT course in June of 2018. I was supposed to, it was for 3 months between June to September of 2018. So yeah. So right now I currently work at Canada Life, the Winnipeg branch. Yeah.
Awesome. And what do you do there? What is your title?
So I'm a software developer.
Awesome. So then, did you have any previous IT experience before taking the ComIT course?
Yeah. So back home, because I actually immigrated to Canada in 2017. So back home I was also a developer, but like more of a junior developer, just few months experience in the software industry. Then so once I moved to Canada, I got the opportunity to I got a scholarship to learn programming to ComIT. So yeah, after that I got an internship position at Skip the Dishes. So I was there for like almost a year, or I think 9 to 10 months before moving to Canada Life.
Cool. That's an awesome kind of story and transition. So
Yeah.
I'm a little curious then too. Did you have any previous Canadian experience, either working or volunteering or school before taking the course?
You mean as a developer?
Yeah, either as a developer or in some other field.
No, no. So like I said, I moved to Canada in 2017, June 2017. Then I got a customer service job with Skip the Dishes. I was a career specialist. Like I mostly deal with careers on phone, help them resolve their conflict, their finances, or help them with scheduling shift and stuff. So then that was when I got the opportunity. After 6 months of working there, I got an opportunity to join ComIT for the programming, for the scholarship for the programming. So then, so once I did the scholarship for 3 months, then immediately I got, because it was the same company that Skip the Dishes that the partner with ComIT. So it was a lot easier for me to transit from that position as a career specialist to the engineering team, where I did my internship for like 9 to 10 months. Yeah.
And it's really good too that you had that kind of insider knowledge. You knew how the things were working. You kind of had that experience already. So that's always really beneficial as well.
Yeah, absolutely. You're right.
So how was your job search during and after the ComIT course? And what did you do to find your job in IT? So I know that you kind of talked a little about your Skip experience, but how did you find your position where you're at now?
So well, it was a lot easier for me. I mean, I think I was one of the few fortunate ones because immediately I finished from ComIT, so my instructor really liked my participation in class. Then my projects, he actually liked it. Then he actually recommended me to Skip the Dishes, the engineering team at Skip the Dishes. So I went for the interview. I did 4 interviews with Skip the Dishes. The engineering team. The first one was more of a get to know, like the telephone interview, and the second one was on site, where they asked about my project, and the third one was more of was algorithm, technical questions and stuff. So then the fourth one was more of what did they call it? They call it like where you meet the managers and they talk about when the expectations, and they tell you how they work, the work environment as Skip the Dishes and engineering team. So yeah, so the 4 interviews, like it was a bit challenging, but I skated through all of them. So it was like I said, I was one of the few fortunate ones. So it was a lot easy. It was kind of easy for me to transit from that position as Skip the Dishes to the engineering team. Yeah.
Perfect. So kind of tell me if you have any other, recommendations or advice for the current ComIT students, whether that's for their job search or for the projects or for the course. What would you recommend?
Yeah. So the course is for 3 months. So it's a small time to really grasp all the fundamentals of programming, I'll advise them to push harder, not to just limit them. What's it called? They are. I mean, not to really. I mean, to go far and beyond above what they teach them in class. They can actually. Uh, I mean, watch YouTube's, read more. Practice interview questions. I mean, do projects that will be very, very enticing. And then they should have their project hosted in Git, where they can push their code there. Employers can go there and actually look at the source code, see what they've done. I mean, go beyond what they teach them in class actually, and practice a lot of interview questions. Like I said, I mean that way it's going to be a lot easier for them to get job after the whole experience. So I mean that's one of the things I did that actually helped me out. So because if you think 3 months you can cover everything, it's not possible. But it depends on your energy, the ability you put into it, the work you put into it, that really help you through the process. So I think they should go beyond what they teach them in class, and read more about the fundamentals. Solve a lot of programming questions. Yeah, that would definitely help them in their job search.
Awesome. Thanks so much for sharing all of your feedback and your advice and your story with us.
Sure.